Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. You guys, I am so excited for this video for so many reasons. First of all, the deals at Walgreens are fire this morning. I think they knew that this was my 10,000 subscriber giveaway video and they treated me so well. I cannot wait to tell y'all about these deals. I was able to get all of these items for free and made over $13 buying it all. I also got so many things at Walgreens this morning that I'm breaking this down into two different videos. So this is just video one. Also, last night I popped over to the store real quick to take some clearance pictures, so I'll include those at the end of the video, but there are lots of items at 90% off, so I'll talk to you about those as well. And lastly, y'all, we finally hit 10,000 subscribers. So excited. And this is the giveaway video. If you remember, I said I was going to be doing a $100 giveaway, so I'm doing two $50 gift cards. And this is the video that you get entered into that giveaway. So it starts today, Sunday. It ends at 11:59 on Saturday, and I will announce the winner in my Walgreens video next Sunday. You need to be subscribed to the channel, like this video, and all the official rules are going to be down in the description box. Also need to comment on this video to get entered. And that comment, I want you to tell me something. I really value your feedback. I listen to it. I try to incorporate it as much as I can. Tell me what type of videos you want to see me do. Do you really love the Walgreens videos? Would you like to see budgeting videos? I don't want to give you too many ideas because I want to hear from you what you would like to see me put out. So drop that comment down below and that gets you entered in the two $50 giveaways. Thank you guys so much for helping me get to 10,000. I can't even begin to tell you how much that means to me. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's talk about the deals because they are insane. The first one I want to tell you about, let's see if I can grab it without a whole bunch of stuff falling. I went to the store this morning to grab a curbside order that I did. I ordered this Revlon toenail clipper. So these are $2.29. There is a $2.50 digital if you haven't used it already, making it completely free. Now remember, when the coupon value is higher than the value of the product, you need to do that as a curbside deal because it's not going to attach when you do it in store. So, of course, it did attach. I got this completely free. When I checked out, I got this coupon that printed out. So save $4 on your next Revlon tool purchase. But a $5 register reward also came out. And I'm like, I don't remember ordering anything that gave a $5 register reward. Apparently, Walgreens is all kinds of glitchy this morning, and all of the transactions were giving a $5 register reward. Now, that's not going to last because that's not sustainable for them, and it's not supposed to happen. But it felt like my birthday for a second. And I was curious, would that $4 Revlon tool coupon apply to one of the cheapest items I could find? So I grabbed the cheapest thing I could find over $4, which was $4.29. So I checked out with this. I gave them that $4 coupon that had just spit out. I paid 29 cents. Another $4 off a Revlon tool purchase printed out. And another $5 register reward printed out. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So if you want to score some inexpensive nail files, 29 cents, grab the freebie as a curbside deal, and hopefully you'll get that $4 off a Revlon tool purchase. Okay, so that was super fun. Let's talk about the Cheerios deal because my family loves Cheerios and we're always looking for a low price on Cheerios. This is a pretty good one. They are on sale this week for $1.99. Go ahead and grab 2 boxes if you have that digital coupon for $1.25 off too, because that makes your final cost $2.73 total, or just $1.36 a box, which isn't a bad price. You can use Walgreens cash to pay. You could use register rewards to pay for that. I know in a lot of my videos, I will talk about grocery deals. I will talk about those grocery deals in my second Walgreens haul that I will be doing this week, so stay tuned for those. Now, the soft soap. You want to grab 2 of these. They are priced at $3.99 each. When you buy 2 of these, you get $5 in Walgreens cash, but there is a $1 digital coupon. So after that coupon, you pay $6.98. You get $5 in Walgreens cash back, making it $1.98 for both of them, or just 99 cents each. Great price. Now, of course, we have some oral care deals. Let's talk about the Oral-B and Crest. These are part of the $5 register reward deal this week. I grabbed 3 of the toothbrushes because I was afraid my store wouldn't have 4 and I was doing it as a curbside order. I grabbed 3 of the toothbrushes and I grabbed 1 of the toothpaste, all priced at $3. I had a $6 off 4 digital coupon, so I paid $6 total. And then I got back a $5 register reward as well as $3, so $1 each on the toothbrushes, on Ibotta, because there's a $1 rebate on Ibotta right now, making them all free and a $2 moneymaker. Now, if you're in store and your store has the 4 toothbrushes, that's a better deal because you'll get $4 back on Ibotta instead of just 3. But since I was doing it as a curbside, I was nervous to get 4 of anything because I was afraid they wouldn't have it. If you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. If you're not a fan of Crest and you like Colgate, you can snag these for free as well. These are priced at $4 each. Grab 2 of them. When you buy 2, you get a $4 back in Walgreens cash. And there is a $4 digital coupon. So you pay $4, you get $4 back in Walgreens cash, making them completely free. Now you can pay with Walgreens cash and still get Walgreens cash back. You could pay with a register reward and still get the Walgreens cash back. Another deal I did was on the Pantene. These are also part of the $5 register reward deal this week. So you want to grab 3 of them. That makes your price $11.97 because they're $3.99 each. Then I placed this as a curbside order, so I was able to use the code SENIOR20, which took off $1.39. I also had that $5 digital, so I paid $5.58, got back a $5 register reward, making it 58 cents for all 3 of them, or just 19 cents each. Now, so promo codes this week. Senior20 is the only one that I got to work for me. You can try New You and you can try Same Day. Neither one of those worked for me, and I'm assuming it's because I've already used them, but give it a try, see if it works for you. Don't forget, with Walgreens purchases on Procter & Gamble products, you can submit your receipt to PG Good Every Day, and you will get points back on like the Crest and Oral-B and the Pantene products, and then you can redeem those points for gift cards. If you're not a part of that completely free program, I will drop a link down below where you can join and start scanning your receipts there as well. Super great deal on the toilet paper. These are priced at $5. There is a $1.25 Walgreens digital. So that's going to take $1.25 off each of the toilet papers that you buy. If you use the code SENIOR20, it's going to take off another 75 cents. So that made my final cost for this pack of toilet paper just $3 total. Great deal there. Let's talk about clearance, and I want to tell you about the best one I found. So these Just for Men, clearly I'm not going to be using these. These Just for Men were 90% off. So one was $1.19, one was $1.09. There is $1 back on Ibotta, but holy moly, I bought 2 of these and an $8 register reward printed out, which is insane. So this was like a $7, almost an $8 moneymaker. So if you can find these at your store, grab 2 of them and snag that $8 register reward, because holy moly, that's an awesome deal. The other 90% offs I found last night, the shave cream, the Harry shave cream was marked at just 80 cents. And then a couple of Neutrogena products. The shave cream here was 65 cents. And then this Neutrogena base moisturizer with sunscreen was $1.59. So great deals on these men's products. I will include additional clearance pictures at the end of the video. Now, I think that was everything. Like I said, crazy hot deals. I will be doing a second video this week. It'll probably come out early tomorrow morning. Get yourself entered to win one of two $50 gift cards. And again, thank you so much for helping me get to 10,000 subscribers.